Welcome guys, so today I am with NUBIA Red Magic 5S and I want to show you how we can use camera promote on this device. So at the first, to open the camera promote, for sure we have to open the camera application and then select promote from this list. And right now I'm going to show you how we can adjust all of these parameters. So most of them we can adjust automatically or manually, and also we can use few of them, like for example the exposure compensation, only manually. So let me show you how we can adjust them, and also we'll focus on this upper bar where we can find, for example, camera timer, filters or flashlight. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so that was all from this parameters, and also we got few right here. So we can lock white balance, focus, and here we can also change lenses. And right now we can enable camera timer between 3, 5 or 10 seconds, and also this famous filters. Okay, so that's all for the camera promote and the NUBIA Red Magic 5S. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.